Welcome to new video. Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3, we are starting question 7 of more multiplication and division, which is exercise 10.1. Last video we have completed up to 6. This video we are starting from 7. So our first question: which numbers are included 3 times in the multiplication grid? Explain why. So we can consider 16. How? This 16 we can write 2 times 8. We can write 8 times 2 and also 4 times 4. So number table of 2, 8 and 4 we can use. So here our question is why? Which number are included 3 times in multiplication? So we already wrote this one: 2 times 8, 8 times 2 and 4 times 2. That's 3 times. Numbers included 3 times are square numbers that also have another factor pair. What does mean? Look, if you consider, suppose another thing like 36. This is also a square. 6 times 6 is a 36, and this 36 we can get by, suppose, 9 times 4 is a 36, and also another thing 6 times 6 and 4 times 9. So 4 times table, 9 times tables and 6 times tables. So we can write like this one, or if anybody want, can be write 6 times 6, 9 times 4 and 4 times 9. This is also 3 times in the multiplication. Sanjay wonders why there is no 0 row or column on the multiplication square. Explain why to Sanjay. Look, anything multiplication with 0, it will be 0. If we had a 0 row, every answer would be 0. A 0 column, every answer also would be 0. So the whole row and column would just be 0. Like, suppose here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you use 0 and 5 times table, it will be 5, it will be 10, it will be what? It will be 15, then 20, 25, but it will be 0. Similar, if here is a 0, so everything will be 0, right? So if you multiply anything with 0, it will be 0. That's why the multiplication table we cannot see 0. Jingua wants to write a sequence with the terms to term rule -9. Where could she look on the multiplication square to get started? Look, if Jingua wants to sequence that goes down by 9 each time. Why? Because here is a term to term rule -9. Suppose 10 minus 9, it will be 1, right? Again 1 minus 9, it will become -8. That's why we can say she should look at 9 times table but read it backward. Where to look? The 9th column or 9th row. How to start? She could start at the bottom of the 9th column 90 and move upward. The sequence would be like, suppose if you start from 90 and if you follow -9, so it will be 81, then again -9, 72, then 63, like this. 17 and 23 are two of the numbers in a sequence. What could be the sequence be? What is the term to term rule? look, we have two number, one is 17 or 29. Here difference is 12. Okay, so we can say, or we can write, one possible sequence is an arithmetic sequence with the rule add 12. Like if you start from 5, so 5 plus 12 it will be 17, plus 12 it will be 29, plus 12 41, 53, so on so. So this is the term to term rule plus 12. Another possibility, which one is, if you start from 29 and backward comes 17, it will be minus 12. So sequence could be also like 53, then 41, then 29, then 17. Now look, here is also 19 and 17, and if you add by 12, also 17 and 29. But this case it will be plus 12, and 53, 51, this case it will be negative 12. So this is the rule of negative 12. So no more today. After this math, we have completed 10.1. Next video, we will start from 10.2, which is very important. The topic 6, playing with multiplication and division. So thank you very much being with me. My channel name is Sad Educare International. I am trying to solve Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learner's Book or Workbook 3, and also few math we have completed grade 5. If you need, can be watch. Thank you.